Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we discuss important Math Olympiad question. So let's start. The question is x square minus y square is equal to 64 and the product of xy is equal to 8. What is the value of x plus y? So let's start. This is a x square minus y square is equal to 64, and if we take a square on both sides, then here we use a formula. So first of all we write a formula. As you know, a minus b, it is a minus b whole square, it is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 times of a b. So we use this formula to left hand side, then this will become a is x square, so this will become a x4 plus b, and b is y square plus y4 minus 2 times of ab minus 2. A is x square and the b is y square is equal to 64 raised to the power 2. And look at this, we arrange x square y square as a minus 2 times of xy raised to the power 2. It is equal to 64 raised to the power 2, and xy is equal to 8, so we replace this by 8, then we get this is a x4 plus y4 minus 2, this is equal to 8 raised to the power 2 is equal to 64 raised to the power 2. So this is equal to x4 plus y4 minus 2. 8 square is 64 is equal to 64 raised to the power 2. And if we add 2 multiply 64 on both sides of this equation, then we get a x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 is equal to 64 raised to the power 2 plus 2 times of 64. Now look at the right hand side, 64 involved in this 2 term, so we take it a common, then this will become a 64. This is a 64 plus 2, and the left hand side is x4 plus y4. So 64 plus 2 is 66, and this is a x4 plus y4. So as you know, x square plus y square whole square, it is equal to x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus 2 times of x square and y square, and this is equal to 64 multiply 66, so we replace x square by plus y square by 64 multiply 66, so this is become a 64 multiply 66 plus this is a x square plus y square, so we write this as a xy whole square 2 times of. So in our question xy is equal to 8, so we replace this by 8, 2 multiply 8 square, and 8 square is equal to 64, so this will become a 2 multiply 64, it is equal to x square plus y square whole square. Now 64 involved in this 2 term, so we take it a common, then this will become a 64. This is a 66 plus 2, and 66 plus 2 is equal to 68. So x square plus y square whole square, it is equal to 64 multiply 68. So we just want to find the value of x square plus y square, so we take a square root on both sides of this equation, and then we get this. Now look at the right hand side, it is a 64 and its perfect square root exists, So this is a 68. So we split a 68 into a perfect square. So we can write 68 as a 4 multiply 17. So this is equal to 64 multiply 4 multiply 17. So if we multiply 64 by 4, then we get a 256 multiply 17. And now look at the left hand side. In the left hand side, power is 2. Since x and y are a real number, so x square must be equal to or greater than 0. So x square plus y square must be a positive number. So we just take a positive number to right hand side. So this square and square root cancel. We just get a x square plus y square is equal to plus square root of 256 is 16 and multiply 17. So this is the value of x square plus y square, but in our question we just find the value of x plus y. So if we take a square on it is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times of xy, and we know the value of x square plus y square, it is equal to 16 square root of 17 plus 2 times of xy, it is equal to 8. Now look at this, it is a 16 times of square root 17 plus 2 8s are 16. 16 involved in these two terms, so we take it a common. 16 17 plus 1, it's equal to x plus y whole square, and we just find the value of x plus y, so we take a square root on both sides, and this square and square root cancel, we just get a x plus y. And look at the right hand side, there's a 16 and the square root of 16 is 4, and this is a square root of 17 plus 1 plus minus. So the value of x plus y is plus minus 4 square root of 17 plus 1. So we have done. Thank you.